Greetings everyone, Edson here, my third video in ICT. This video is about making nested ifs. Enjoy! Let's begin by, as usual, opening the MS Excel button. I have already encoded here the topic I wanted to demo. It's about top NBA scorers. I encoded their names and their scores already. What I am just going to do is get their letter grade, and we are applying the nested if. I also encoded the legend or reference of my letter equivalent grade on the other side of the table. Let's type now the formula of nested if in the formula bar. Always start with an equal sign. If open parenthesis B5 because this is our cell address, less than sign 64, comma F, quotation mark F, comma, if sign again, open parenthesis, B5 is less than 73, comma, quotation mark D, comma, if, open parenthesis, B5 is less than 85, comma, quotation mark C, comma, if, open parenthesis, B5 is less than 95, comma again, quotation mark D, comma, quotation mark A. Now I will check if my formula is right. Now we will put 4 closing parentheses because there are 4 ifs in the formula. And then I will press now enter. Now it's done. Let's save it. This is quite easy for as long as you know the formula. Okay guys, till my next video. Don't forget to subscribe!